You're saying that you've tried everything but still couldn't solve that problem on your own? Well, I guess I better consult with my fellow therapist, Miss Susan.
Hello, Dr. Sam. What's going on?
This is a tough case, colleague. Agent Baby here admits that she's been jealous of her friends, Princess Jasmine and Elsa. They both have wonderful rooms that they don't have to share with anybody. While Agent Baby happens to live with her sisters, and they don't want to let her go.
I see. Well, that really is not a simple situation, but I know an amazing team of professionals who can create a nice room and even do a little makeover for you.
You're talking about you and me, right?
Of course. Now let's go to the craft table.
Let's get started!
Hi, everyone. Check out what we've got here.
L.O.L. Surprise Hairgoals series package? Cool! I didn't know we were unboxing today.
We're not, Sammy. This is just one of our old capsules. And if you guys remember, here under the top cap, there's a hairspray container. Shh. We love L.O.L. dolls, and it's especially great that they come in these awesome packages, which are also kind of a playset.
Oh yeah, now give us a thumbs up, everybody who at least has one L.O.L. doll! All right, Susie, let's get started. I have a hammer, and you got a drill.
Chill out, there won't be any actual construction work.
Oh.
For starters, I want you to help me pick wallpaper.
I must say this color is not fashionable anymore.
Okay, how do you like this one? It's brighter.
No, pink is too plain for that room, you know, and it will make our agent Baby look pale.
Okay, you know what? Then I want to hear your suggestions.
With great pleasure. I happen to have everything here. Hey!
Wow, Sammy, you've got exquisite taste. Oh, I'd really want to have this wallpaper in my own bedroom.
Just say the word, Susie, and Roger and I will reconstruct your bedroom before you know it.
Why don't we focus on our craft for now? Guys, you should be very careful here and don't rush, so that there are no wrinkles on our beautiful walls. And of course, it is very important to use correct measurements. Your craft should always look neat.
If you have trouble with cutting and gluing, remember that you can always ask an adult to help.
All right, next we're gonna need foam paper, a little mirror, a few beads. I'll just go get everything myself.
Susie, are you sure you don't need my help?
Okay, at this stage, glittery foam paper might really come in handy. Now this little piece goes here, and we've got ourselves a shelf.
Hey Susie, I couldn't find a small mirror. Is this sticker any good?
I think we need something more sturdy.
Don't worry, I'll ask Roger to help me adjust it.
In the meantime, here's a cute dressing table. Now this wall looks a bit empty, right? Should we make a couple of extra shelves?
Shelves are too boring, Susie.
Wow, would you just look at this, guys? Sammy, this mirror is amazing. Although, we could add a few sparkles to it. So, Sammy, if not the shelves, then what do you think we should make?
A sink!
What?
Trust me, I know that it's better to have a sink at hand while doing makeup or a hairdo.
All right, and what do you suggest we make it out of?
This! It's one of the packages left from the L.O.L. surprise playset. And you always tell me to throw stuff like this away.
That's quite an idea. Guys, support our frugal slime with a thumbs up. Here we go. Carefully press a little. Great!
Susie, we can make a water tap from the wire. And I even found a perfect piece, but now I don't know where it is. Strange. Where?
I know. Right behind you.
That always happens to me.
By the way, I really like your idea. Let's just bend the wire this way to give it the proper shape. And now we'll just add this cute bead to make the whole thing look more real.
That's right, Susan. This is just what I had in mind.
Now, guys, I'm going to show you something really sparkly.
Whoa, this is very interesting. That is a lot of glitter. And what's it all going to be, Sue? Interesting.
You're about to see what. Let's take this off. And voila, a beautiful ottoman is ready. One of a kind. And this addition will make it match the whole interior of our room.
Wow, are you impressed, guys? I know I am. Don't go anywhere and you'll see more.
Guys, now we will make a few accessories for me. I'm so excited.
And we're gonna use quite an unusual prop this time.
That's right. Guys, these are the rubber parts of regular pens. Now we'll carefully cut one this way. And then we'll simply wrap it around another pen rubber piece, like this.
And that is how hair colors are made.
Now let's take one more pen piece and cut it in half. Whoop. Great. Next, we're gonna use a piece of a glue stick and put these two together. This way, we'll get a tiny deodorant stick.
Wow, guys, how cool is that? Cut it out, Susie, I'm ticklish.
All right, now let's use one more rubber piece and a piece of a glue stick to make a mini version of the hairspray. A black marker will help us make this thing look real.
You might also want to decorate your hairspray. Any beautiful rhinestone will do. Speaking of rhinestones, Susie, check out this cool perfume bottle that I made.
Just look at this, guys. I bet there's a Slick Slime signature fragrance inside. Let's place it here. And this is a custom-made scent by Sue.
How about something sparkly, huh?
That's a great idea.
Guys, this way you can make pretty much anything that you want. Before you use pens for your craft, make sure that nobody needs them to write something down.
Or you can use some old pens that aren't fit for writing anymore. This way, your craft will become eco-friendly in a way.
Shiver me shatters!
What happened, Sammy?
Oh, I just spilled some glue all over myself. But don't you worry, Sue, I'm fine.
I can see that. And you actually gave me one more idea. Our doll might also need paper towels.
To me, that's the world's coolest idea for a dollhouse. Do you agree with me, guys? Then you should give us a thumbs up.
Well, everything seems to be in its place. Let's see what Agent Baby thinks of all this.
Just remember, you are free to tell us if there is anything that you don't like about your new room. Deal? Then let's do this.
Oh, interesting. Sammy, I think she's ready to share.
Right? Uh-huh. She says that this room is just like what she saw in her dreams.
But
Sue, you see, she isn't sure that her current hairstyle allows her to use all these props.
well, of course, how could we forget? Check out what I have here. Our doll will look more beautiful than Rapunzel with this. But first, let's make a couple of adjustments to your makeup, sweetie.
And Grandmaster Samuel is back again. What can I fetch you? A makeup brush or a paintbrush?
Actually, I already have everything that I need.
Nail polish, Sue? Seriously?
And a little bit of glitter. Just look how beautiful this color is. We'll sprinkle it on our doll's eyes and they will become very sparkly.
Oh, how come I guessed that wrong?
All right, Master Samuel, I'll take this.
I helped.
This way, we'll get rid of the extra glitter from her face.
Ooh, and check out what I did with her belongings.
Wow, these shoes are glittery too. I just love them.
I'm sure she will look gorgeous in this dress. Brilliant! Now we can finally deal with her hair.
Let's use some magic. Voila! Oh, she's so beautiful. And I love that she has such long and soft hair. Guys, our renewed Agent Baby here is ready to look at everything that we made today.
How things turned out for our dearest Agent Baby. Or maybe now we had better call her Super Agent Baby.
Yeah, I think now she's ready to start her new life. Guys, give us a thumbs up if you also liked our little makeover.
And if you want more videos like the ones on our channel, then subscribe and hit the bell button. See you soon!
Bye, everyone!